How to use Chase Amazon Prime Rewards card. Now, in order to get the rewards, you need to first of all sync it directly to your Amazon wallet, and you can optimize your everyday cashback in different categories as well. So, firstly, as I said, you need to simply add your digital wallet on the Amazon wallet page. Secondly, this will automatically enroll the card into the Shop with Points framework. Once you have successfully linked your card, you can use the card on all purchases made on the platform of Amazon, all of the related partners such as Audible or Whole Foods Market. This way you'll be able to get the 5% cashback. Also, you can browse the rotating Prime bonus card catalog on different Amazon platforms in order to earn the 10% or even more on the selected promotional products. So these are some of the benefits that you get, and in order to redeem your points, you can simply head over to the Chase application. Simply navigate to your profile and then head over to the option which says redeem points, where you'll be able to redeem them inside of your account. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.